Hey, good morning my friends. I got the top coat done with a 3-tone modulation on the T-60 by Miniart, so I'll give you a quick look at that. What are you up to? We're looking at the model. Alright, back to looking at the model. So the colours I've used, I base coated it with Mr. Colours 4BO, which is a really nice colour to be quite honest. Then the second coat is I put some German yellow by SMS into the mix there, which lightened it up. And I approached the front from this direction, so this direction. I approached it from different angles, so sort of going away. The turret, I approached it from the front direction. And then I added some white to the mix and I hit up the top parts and sort of created a little bit of shadow along the top here and so forth. We'll have a bit of a look before I seal it up. I wasn't happy with it last night, so I let it dry and I sanded it and redid it, because there was a bit of Elsie hair in the air, so a lot of Elsie hair went on it, so I had to sand that back, which is a big problem if you do have a cat. Just you'll have to accept that your models will get cat hair in it. They especially in the summertime, because it's summer now and she sheds a hell of a lot. I have to brush her all the time. So we've got some nice shadow going on with that. So it's come up very nice, I think. You know, all that photo etch really comes together really well to make a really nice, high quality little model. It's very nice. You know, it makes the old ones look like toys, so they're getting given away. Because I've got some heavy tanks over here. So this one's going to Mum and this one's going to my nephew. But yeah, looking at this one now after doing the Miniart kit, the Tamiya King Tiger, it looks like a toy. You know, especially at the back. They could have put a little bit of photo etching at the back. It's a terrible one. I wouldn't get that Tamiya one. It's just way too dated. This one's fairly dated as well, the Academy one, but it's still worthwhile. $70, still worthwhile, because it's a good training tank. But as you can see, you know, a lot of things are missing. See, this pipe here goes to nowhere, and there's a lot of interior pipes missing from the engine. There's a lot of detail missing. Like, I don't like how they've set up this with one line of ammo. You really can see through to the bottom. There's a lot of problems with it. I don't like how under there the ammo basket hits these jerry cans, so you can't elevate the gun. In reality, the basket would have been not solid, so that would have been an issue. But I do know the jerry cans are stored there. But yeah, not that many issues. It's a great training tank. So, but this is going to go to Mum, because I experimented with all kinds of different new methods and new ideas I had on rusting and all that kind of stuff. I experimented with this Academy tank and I learned a hell of a lot. And Mum really likes it. She loves White Tiger, the movie, so she said she wanted it, so I'll just send that off to her, and then I can get a you know, a Ryefield one or something full interior, and we'll do a really good one. But this was just all training. This is the Meng one here. This is a really good one. Meng, they don't make little toy tanks. They look really good. So I'll finish detailing that up, and I've got some figures to put on it, because I reckon they're not finished until they got figures on them. Just get rid of that stuff. You know what I mean? Like, it's these two. This one's not really finished, but it looks sort of more finished, because it's got the figures on it, but down here they sort of don't look that finished. Figures, that's the key to making them look finished. So anyway, back to what I was talking about. A bit of a distraction there. The Miniart T-60. So let's have another quick 360 around. And you can have another look. And then I'll get to sealing it, and we'll chuck some decals on it. Oh yeah, I got to do the white on the turret lid before we do that. Alright guys, I will speak to you again soon.